Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Please let your arms relax as you begin to roll your wrists. Slow circles, one direction, and then the other. Notice where they've been tight without you even noticing it. We hold so much in our hands. Every email we didn't want to write, everything we gripped too hard trying to control it. Keep rolling. Let your fingers loosen too. You could even shake them out a little if you want. Take a breath in, and as you keep moving your fingers and wrist, feeling into the release, hold your breath. And then as you exhale, you could gently bring your wrists to a stop, noticing your wrists and hands are feeling a little bit looser. This is a small release, but your body doesn't know small from big. It just knows tension leaving. Let it leave and feel into that release. I'm sending you so much love. Please subscribe if this found you at the right moment and take a few seconds to rate, share, or leave a review. Every single one helps this reach someone who needs it. Thank you so much for being here with me today.